ginormous. We're gonna open it. Shut up. Okay, okay. Shut up. I'm gonna give this one away. Hey guys, it's Hailey here, and today I'm gonna be filming my monthly PR packaging unboxing haul video. That was a mouthful. If you've never watched these, companies usually like send me products to try out, and I'm just gonna be unboxing all these goodies. Some of these are things I actually purchased myself, so like things I ordered online. You guys seem to be liking these videos, so I'm just gonna keep them coming because they're literally my favorite videos to film. I get so excited every time. If you think you're gonna like this video, make sure you subscribe because I upload these almost once a month, and they're always a fun time, and I don't want you to miss out on them. The last few I made actually had some giveaways, so let's see if there's anything in this for you guys. So I'm just gonna hop right in, and I think I'm gonna start off with this package. This is from Forever 21, and I actually ordered all this stuff myself. So I ordered online and I got it a few days ago. Oh, Jax, no, not for you. You're gonna have to leave this video because you're getting a little too excited. I'm going to Europe this summer, and I want all my outfits literally every single day to be fly. So I've just been going ham with like really cute summery clothes. The first thing I got was this little cute blouse, and it's just white, very soft, and it has these little tiny mini red hearts all across. It's a really cute collared shirt. I really like it, and it's really light, so I feel like that's gonna be good for the summer because it gets freaking hot over there. This looks really cute too. It's a tie in the front shirt, bralette, whatever it is, in this like cute little mango color, and I really like it because it actually has like cupping inside, so you don't have to worry about like, what bra do I wear with this? And it's not flimsy. It has like a zipper in the back. I think it would look super cute with like high-waisted shorts or a long skirt or something, so that's really cute. I like it. This is a midi dress, so it's this black checkered one with, again, a tie-up. I guess these like tie-up things are really popular nowadays. There's a mini little peekaboo hole right here. It's overall tight around your body, and it stops like right on your shins. I hope this looks good. I got this basic white shirt. It was like $6. I just wanted a very like soft white shirt, which is exactly what I got. Oh my god, this next thing I was kind of nervous about because it's so unlike what I usually wear. It's this white lace sheer button up. It has some frills right here, and then it comes with this black tie, so you like tie it around your neck and you make it into a cute little bow. I'll insert a picture of like what it looks like online and what it's gonna look like when I wear it. I thought it'd be cute for like something a little bit more formal with like a mini black skirt. That's the vibe I was going for with this. Furthermore, oh, so cute. I got yet another tie in the front shirt. This is like red with polka dots, and then I kind of plan on wearing this like over bathing suits and stuff. I tie it a little bit more closer so it's not like my whole chest is out there. It's super cute. I really am digging like the whole like polka dot vibes. I think it's very like spring and girly and like cute. Next up, I got this very like simple, again, summer-esque white top. It's kind of like cropped, and then it frills out in the bottom. It has these cute little buttons going down. I just wanted a lot of like simple pieces that I could literally style with anything, and it would look cute. This is so cute. I am literally obsessed with it. You know those shirts that were really popular for a while? A bandeau with off-the-shoulder sleeves. Okay, well basically this is that, so it's gonna look like a bandeau. But look at the sleeves. Like, they are flowy. They are huge. They're like balloon sleeves. Shirt smells really weird. And it's like satin. It's so soft. Looks great quality. Oh my god, this is gonna look so cute. I can't wait to style this. Forever 21. What the f? I got these earrings, but they literally broke as I took them out of the packaging. Are you being for real, dog? They were supposed to look like these because I'm obsessed with jewelry, especially like gold jewelry. I have to return this. Oh, such a process. Forever 21. I'm kind of pissed. I mean, everything else was cute, but like, why you gotta do me like that with the jewelry? The next package is from Revolve, and I'm obsessed with Revolve. It's literally my favorite store. It's kind of high end. I just want to like dive in because I got some really cute things. So the first thing I got were these pair of jeans. You can tell they're really good quality. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, but they're by the brand Girlfriend Denim. All the models that you see on like Instagram and stuff, like they all wear this brand because their jeans just make your body look really nice. These are kind of high-waisted, so they button up and then they kind of wrap around your waist, and they're kind of like loose in the bottom, so they're kind of like boyfriend jeans. At the end right here, the front is shorter than the back. So I got these jeans. I got this off the shoulder like peasant top. It's super sheer. It has tiny speckles of glitter. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it's just this like nude off the shoulder top. You can definitely dress this up or down, and I think this is by Chrissy Teigen. And then finally I got this tweed skirt. It's kind of high-waisted and mini. It also sparkles. I really like it. It's like the perfect mixture of girly and classy. This is what the pattern looks close up. So that's all I got from Revolve. I love them. Thank you guys so much. I'm obsessed. By the way, everything that's in this video will be linked down below, so make sure you check out the description box if you see anything you like. Let's hop into this Sephora bag. I actually got these today at the actual store, so this isn't like online or anything like that. I got 2 hair products. This is the Way leave-in conditioner. I think in my last unboxing video I hauled the mini travel size version of this because I said I want to try it out, and I did, and literally Way hair care works so well with my hair. I feel like it's never looked this healthy. It makes my hair super soft. I actually ended up using all of that up, so I went ahead and bought the full size today. And then this is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Conditioner. I got a blowout there yesterday, and then after they did my hair, they sprayed the ends, and I was curious as to what it was, and basically it's a dry conditioner, just so it's like soft, not tangly, and looks smooth and shiny. These are some sunnies from Monarch Tokyo. I'll link them down below, but they basically sent me a bunch of these really dope sunglasses. This one looks like this, and then I got this one, which kind of reminds me of like the off-white glasses. I really like these. And then finally I got these like cat eye tortoise shell pattern ones. I also think these are really cool. They actually provided me with a discount code. So if you go on their website, you use the code Hailey30, you'll get 30% off any pair of sunglasses. And their sunglasses are really affordable to begin with, so you're getting such a good deal. So I think it's definitely worth it. These are so cute. They would spice up any outfit. So thank you, Monarch Tokyo. This package is from a brand called Rude Cosmetics, and I've never heard of them, so this is gonna be interesting. They sent me 2 face masks. They sent me lip exfoliators. I've never seen a lip exfoliator in a package like this, so I'm kind of excited to see what this is. It looks like this, right? And then it's like this little pump bottle. Should I put it on? It's literally like soap. Hold on, wait, what? Oh my god, I feel my lips bubbling. It's like making bubbles on my lips. They're like tingling. And then this is a lip primer. It looks like a clear lipstick. And then here's another lip exfoliator. It's like a sugar scrub in a lipstick form for your lips. I'm impressed. You guys should definitely check out Rude Cosmetics. This package is from a brand called Angela Roy. They actually reached out to me. They're like an all vegan handbag company. This looks so high end. Oh yes. It's this off-white color, and it comes with this gold chain, so you can wear it as a crossbody. It came with 2 other straps, so you can wear it like long or as a short bag. I know I'm gonna use this so much because I feel like it would go with everything, and it also is really good quality. Like, you can tell this is gonna last you a while, and if you don't wear leather products, then this is perfect for you because it is all vegan. Bubble! This package is from Origins. They send me products all the time. I think they know that I really like their products. Oh my god, yes, girl! If something looks like this and it says skin superfood, I'm gonna love it. They sent me some skincare goodies. It's their new line. It's their Mega Mushroom line, so everything's like mushroom based. And this one is a lotion, and then they sent me their face mask, and then a face serum. I've never tried face serums. Look how cute the packaging is. Finally, they sent me a tea. If you guys didn't know, I'm a tea person and not a coffee person. I can't even drink coffee. It gives me anxiety. These will most definitely be in like an upcoming skincare related video, so thank you. I'm super excited for this one. It says it's from Decay. The package looks like this. It's like a seal. You unseal it. Shut up. No, you guys didn't. What? All of their super cool lippies. So these are their High Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Glosses. So they're supposed to be super shiny, cushiony, soft, and long lasting. They look galactic. I feel like I've gotten a package from them before, but I kind of forgot what they are. Hailey, enjoy your new goodies. Hell yeah, I am. Oh, it's clothing. Okay, for sure. This is from a brand called Bellaire. They just sent me some really soft, comfy tees. Thank you guys for these. This is a goodie bag I got from an event that I went to. It was for Erborian. I talk about them all the time, especially when I do makeup tutorials, just because I really, really enjoy their products. They gave me their BB cream, primer, concealer, and then this product, which is their glow creme. I have it on right now, but basically it's like an illuminating lotion, and you can put it on where you would put on highlighter, and it gives your face the most beautiful glow. I think I have like 7 of these, so I'm gonna give this one away. All you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment down below why you need that glow, girl. Let me know in the comments, and that's pretty much it. You're entered. I'll tell you guys the winner in the description box of next week's video. Okay, this is from a brand called Sky Organics, and if you've been watching my PR packaging hauls, they have a box in every video, and they like to send me bubble baths, like bubble bath bombs, which they smell amazing. The only thing is, and I say this literally in every video, I don't have a bathtub. I have literally over 20 bath bombs. I don't really know what to do with them. Oh my god, the sun literally just went behind the clouds. Hello? But they always smell so good. So if you're looking for new bath bombs, check out Sky Organics. The final package we have is ginormous. It's from Pixie, and we're gonna open it. And by we, I mean me, the 5-foot little tiny ass girl, is gonna open this other 5-foot. Oh, the sun's back. We've got here this very, very huge box. Oops, something's slipping out. Makeup galore. Wait, what? I'm like shocked. Okay. I feel like I'm like presenting a science project. Wait, these are really pretty. They sent me 4 different kits. Thank you to Pixie. Look at this huge ass package. I can't even. Wow, you guys are great. Since there are no other packages left behind me, it is safe to say we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking through. I love watching PR packaging unboxing videos. I don't know if it's just me, but if you guys enjoy them, always let me know in the comments down below so I can keep filming them for you guys. Thank you to all these brands for sending over these products. You guys are literally the best, except for the ones, you know, I have to go out and buy. You guys should hit me up sometime. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, all the way to Pluto and back.